we discuss about public healthcare services. Public healthcare services, which is backbone of Indian healthcare services, and which are string of dispensaries and hospitals which are run by the government in rural as well as in urban area. So such services are known as public healthcare services, and the main purpose of this public healthcare services is to provide quality health services to all the citizens, to provide quality based services to all the citizens who are living in India. So this is the main purpose of private healthcare, public healthcare services, not private. And why these services are called public? Because hospitals which are established for giving the better facilities to the citizens of the India, and the investment which is for establishing for hospitals, so that investment, that amount is also collected from the common people, from the citizens in the form of tax, and as a result these services are known as public healthcare services, means PHC, primary health centers. Primary health centers means PHC, and with that small healthcare centers which are situated in the villages, in rural area. Small healthcare services are there which are run by trained nurses, as well as some local healthcare people are also helpful for that, and this all are overseas by the PSC, means primary health centers which are in district hospitals. So the specialists who are there in district, that all how to oversee visit to the village services. So in this way they are working. Their motive is not only to give the health services, also they have to organize some health camps. PSC centers or primary healthcare services, their aim is they have to organize health camp like polio camp or different vaccinated programs which are organized on Sunday or on a particular day. So in this way, primary healthcare services which are not for well-being of the people, but also they give essential health services to the people, and they preserve. They also, it is the job of government to preserve the right to life of every citizen. So about which we have seen in previous video. Now in this video we are going to see about private healthcare services. Private health services. Now public healthcare services which are run by the public, by the citizen and for the citizen. But here private health services, these all are established by private doctors for earning money, for gaining money. These hospitals are established by private doctors. Besides the public health services in urban area, there are numerous private clinics, hospitals, as well as hospitals and nursing homes that provides the healthcare services. So beside public healthcare services, there are many private hospitals as well as clinic. Clinic is a small hospital where one doctor and one or two nurses are working, and if the numbers are more of doctors and nurses and all the staff, so that is known as hospital. A big is hospital and a small is clinic. So like this, many clinics are located in urban area as well as somewhere in rural area, hospitals, and these all are private because of these are run by the private peoples. They all that provide special healthcare services to all the peoples. These all are providing special health services to the peoples in rural area. These are registered medi- medical practitioners in rural areas. In rural areas, there are registered medical practitioners, which are known as RMPS. Means the doctors who are completed the degree like MBBS, BAMS, BDS, and many another. So, like these persons who completed their course, who passed out from the medical colleges. So, like these persons are registered their name and then they start their occupation, they start their clinic, which are registered medical practitioners, which are known as RMPS, and they treat to the patients by taking more efforts, by giving more facilities. As a result, they are getting more money. This is another side. So, this type of hospitals, this type of services are known as private healthcare services. And this day, many large corporations, run hospitals, laboratories, as well as research. Many of private institutions are there who research and development in the field of medicines. Many of private laboratories are there. They research and development. As we know, due to the COVID-19, the whole world is in problem, and many of institutions are there who are trying to find out the perfect medicine for the COVID-19, for the corona. Many of institutions are there from our India, which are in Pune, Hyderabad. So these institutions are also working for that. So like this many private corporations are there as well as government institutions are also there who work for research and development of medicines. Even private shops are also the part of this system. Not only government, some private medicine shops are also the part of this. And as we know, the peoples who have money, the peoples who are rich, who don't have time to stand in a queue. So, like these peoples are choosing to the private healthcare services where they are getting better facilities, where they are getting better treatment, costly and expensive healthcare services. Though they are getting all the treatments, but they have to pay more money. So due to this services is also called expensive healthcare services. After this, healthcare and equality. Healthcare and equality. As we know, in a previous story, which is about Raghu and Suresh, both the children who are discussing their experience with each other, one of them who went in public health care services and another one who went in private healthcare services. Who went in public, he paid 5 or 10 rupees. After that, he got the treatment, then he got the medicines, but for that he was needed to stand in queue, where the hygiene, the cleanliness was in small quantity, but the private hospitals which are hygiene, which are clean, who are giving speedy services, where all the facilities are available. So this type of difference can be observed in both the sectors, in public healthcare and in private healthcare services. And the people, common people who are poor, they cannot choose private healthcare services because which are expensive, where they have to pay more money, and sometimes unfair treatment can be there. So they are going to the public health services where in low amount or sometime in free of cost they can get the facilities. And these all are expensive. Public health, instead of, to the comparison of public healthcare services, private healthcare services are expensive, as we have seen. Shirish, who was diseases for simple case of diarrhea, and Shirish who hospitalized, he who prescribed so many medicines and had paid many amount to the hospital because his father, who is a rich person, so he is affordable for that. In fact, in a rural area, some family who cannot pay this much amount, so they fall in debt. So like these cases are there in India. The persons, the families who are facing the illness and who are taking loan from the money lenders. So like these people are facing the problems of debt. They are facing the problems of economic problems. So like these cases also happen, as well as the poor people who don't have all the facilities. They don't have clean drinking water, as well as hygienic or clean environment. So these problems can be cause the illness. So like this, many of the problems are there who are faced by the poor peoples in India, as well as the women's. Sometimes women's health is also neglected. Women who has to take care of whole family and who has to take care of her all the family members, her child, and all the peoples. So as a result, all peoples whose attention is not there on or towards the woman's health. So this type of cases are also observed in India. Due to this, the illness, the health problems in women appear in our society or in India. And due to that, to improve the healthcare facilities, the government has taken some initiatives to improve the health of its citizen and find out the main feature of National Rural Health Missions, which is known as NHRM, to sort out like these problems which are there. Our government is working, and who organize institutions which is NHRM, means National Rural Health Mission. Some of camps, some of programs are organized for the peoples who are there in rural area for their health. Like these camps are organized.